Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel, because today I've got something really cool here with me for a quick review. I've got the Shirogorov Custom Division Hation. Beautiful, beautiful knife, and if you like the stuff that I'm bringing to you, consider to give me a like, and maybe also consider to subscribe to the channel if you want me to keep bringing you these kind of goodies right over here. Would you look at this? Classic Shirogorov black box. You've got the knife right over here. Shirogorov black cloth, classic one, and of course you've got your certificate of authenticity, Hation, custom division, S90V, roller bearings, titanium, carbon fiber, 3D sculpted in 2017 in Russia. This is a fantastic one, only 30 made of these bad boys, dual tone, S90V blade, really cool, 3D carbon fiber scale, fantastically milled with this swoosh going on over here, blued logo. You've got some blue accents, like really cool going on. It's like blue infused carbon fiber, 3D milled. Pivot collar, which is matching the back spacer, and the tip-up carry pocket clip. There is some really, and I mean really fine milling going on here. You guys have to turn on that HD 4K goodness to fully appreciate what is going on this scale. You can see my, you can only see my fingerprints probably, but here you have some very fine milling going on. Just a gorgeous knife. Look at this beautiful swedge going on up here, dual tone blade, fantastic drop point, single row roller bearing system running under the hood. Lanyard is integrated, the lanyard hole is integrated in the back spacer, which is fantastically milled. This is a gorgeous knife, guys, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.